Hi, this is Jim at Morse Sewing Machines, and today we're going to show you our new product, the Morse Heavy Duty Serger. Now, any serger can sew something like this. This is pretty lightweight, so we're just going to start off with something simple. You can hear how nice and smooth this machine operates. Most sergers sound loud and noisy. This machine sounds very nice. Now, we just did an average type material. Now let's do something a little bit tricky here. Okay, anybody that has a serger at home, you already know off the bat, 2 layers of denim is pretty much absolutely impossible for a lot of sergers. You got 2 layers there. 4 layers is unheard of. The Morse has a heavy-duty, high-powered differential feed. So we got absolutely 4 layers of denim right here. This one's folded over here. So got a whole 4 layers here. So now we're going to put 4 layers of denim. And most people know that 2 layers on a serger is next to impossible. So here we got 4 layers of denim. And you can see it's going through with no problem. So Mr. Cameraman, let's take a closer look at the stitching here. So there is the front stitching, and there is the back stitching there. So I didn't have to play with any of the tension. You got perfect front, perfect back tension, and that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one's tucked over here. As you can see inside here, that's 4. So you got 4 layers there, no problem. So let's do some more tricky stuff here. Here's Sunbrella. Everybody wants to talk about Sunbrella here. So save time for the commercial. Instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which I get confused enough. Let's just do 4 layers of Sunbrella. Sunbrella is a material that a lot of people use to make sails and stuff like that. So here's 4 layers of Sunbrella put into the machine. It's a very tough material. Here we go, 4 layers, no problem. Absolutely no problem, no bogging down. You don't hear the machine bogging down. There's 4 layers there, so let's do 5 on top of that. I got an extra one here. Let's do it. There we go. There's 5 layers of Sunbrella. So Sunbrella is really tough fabric here. So as you can tell, this machine is going nice and smooth here. And now this one here is foam. I guarantee you, any other brand of serger, you do a piece of thick foam like that. Take a look at that, Mr. Cameraman. Okay. We're going to put that thick piece of foam under here. And as you can tell, this is just going through it like a knife through hot butter. It is trimming. Let's take a look at that. Look how thick that foam is. Now look at the stitching. There's the front. There's the back. Now if you notice on the front of the machine here, let's take a good look at the front here. I'm not playing with any of the knobs on it. So we are keeping the tensions just set. For this commercial, I did heavy, light, thick. All of this type of fabric with no problem. Now, let me show you how well balanced the differential feed is on this machine. I am putting a really thin cotton under here. Now, most sergers, when you run over thin pieces of cotton like this, what's going to happen is it's going to bunch all up on you. Now, there's the front and there's the back of this. So there is no bunching on this material. But let's say, for example, if you do want the machine to do a little bit of gathering for you, in the front of here is the differential feed. Turn the differential feed all the way up. Now, this will only do this on lightweight fabric. So now we've got the differential feed turned all the way up. Now we're going to get that gathering effect. Some people like that gathering effect, so you can do it all automatically. So now I got that gathering effect there just by turning the differential feed all the way up. So let's go through some of the adjustments on the machine. We already know now it can do light, heavy duty, all the works there for you. Now if you want to do what they call a rolled hem stitch, yes, it has a built-in rolled hem. You just slide this up here or slide that back, and then you'll take out one of the needles so you can do that built-in rolled hem. If you open up the side of the machine here, this was the differential feed knob here, so 99.9% of the time you keep your differential feed on normal, N for normal there. I only turned it up to do the gathering, and that's what made it gather. Now if you want to adjust the stitch length, how long you want the stitchings, the knob is right here. Now to make all of these adjustments on this machine, I don't got to get out any hand tools. A lot of cheapy sergers on the market, you have to get like little Allen wrench screws, and to make the stitch wider on a lot of machines, you got to get little Allen screws out and turn things. On this machine here, no, you just turn the knobs and you can do everything for you there. But what's nice about this machine, you can do heavy duty, you can do light duty. It just doesn't matter on what you sew here. Now, here's a little thin piece of aluminum here. Now, just to give you an idea how heavy duty this machine is, this will do heavy and light duty. So, you just step on the pedal like that there. So you can do aluminum with no problem there. So after you can do the heavy duty, the light duty, the bottom line is, on this particular model of machine, I didn't have to touch any of the knobs on it. I leave the tension set. It will automatically calibrate the machine for you. So take a look at that, Mr. Cameraman. There's a piece of aluminum. There's the front, and there's the back there. So this is the best value for the money. So we got these Morses online, and you can buy some now at morsesew.com.